The next window by Zen is called the Nirvana window, a very well-made window that can save you some money. Just like the other windows, you can tilt it in for easy cleaning. We're fusion welded, night latches. This carries what you call a bullnose finish. It's more of a rounded edge to it, but very attractive. The frame is foam-filled cavities. There is no magnetic seal on this, but you do have the heavy-duty bulb seal on it. The sill on the window is a true slope sill, allowing the water to easily run off to the outside with no weep holes needed to store any water underneath. So it's a nice slope sill, easy flow, taking any rainwater towards the outside. The window also tilts in for easy cleaning, like mentioned in the earlier videos, and allowing you to clean from the inside. Constant force balance, easy to operate, and a less cost than what the Lotus window is going to be. In addition, like I mentioned earlier, when you raise the window, some people will have the tendency to grab it from the middle sash. The Nirvana window is metal reinforced to prevent any bowing or any change in appearance happening. So you want that added strength, and the Nirvana window brings you in with an aluminum, very heavy-duty reinforcement. The window also is available in two whites, cream white, bright white, beige, and the 3 wood grain interiors. In addition, the windows are also available in our painted exteriors, available for the colors you choose for the outside of your home. In addition, you can get any of our 10 standard colors, or we will customize a color for you, and our painted finishes carry a lifetime warranty.